God, I just wasted money. Type C. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Hello guys, I'm so excited today. I got a new gadget. Here it is. So let's unbox it. And it came with a thank you card. I got it from Olubi stores. That's my invoice. So this is, oh my god, I think I'm working with. Thank you for the mask. Thank you. And this is what I got. K95. So let's just open it. 2.4D wireless, high definition, ready to use on many. I don't know. Type C. Oh, okay, so here it is. Let's unbox it now. One, two. Type C meant to be. I think I made a mistake. It came with two of this. This is for Type C. At first I was shocked. I saw this and I felt like, oh God, I just wasted money. But this is Type C and there's an iPhone connector here. It came with two fours. Then it says it has charger and also this. It came with two mics, two fours for charging. It came with this Type C connector and iPhone connector. So I'm going to try it after charging. I'll just charge it and come back. And so my mic is charged now and I'm going to connect everything together. This is the mic and I said it came with a 4 and this is the 4. I'll just connect everything together and that's it. It's connected to the 4. This is the jack. It came with Type C connector and it has an iPhone connector too. So I'll just connect the iPhone to the iPhone connector to the jack. So this is it. The next thing I'll be doing is I'll connect it to my phone. It has 3 buttons at the side. The first button is the power button. The other 2 are for the volume, to increase and to reduce. So for this one now, I'll connect this jack to my phone and I'll long press the mic. The moment I long press the mic, it's showing a green light over there. That means it has been connected to my phone. So guys, this is my voice without the mic. This is me talking to you without the mic. This is my voice before using the mic. So I'm just going to connect the mic and let's hear the difference. Now it is connected. This is how my voice sounds with the mic. It came with 3 effects. So this is how my voice sounds with the first effect. I'm going to switch to the second effect now so we'll know. Okay guys, this is my voice with the second effect. I'm using the second effect right now and this is how I sound. I'm going to switch to the third effect now. Okay guys, this is my voice with the third effect. I'm using the third effect right now. Third effect is the echo sound, which is what I'm using now. So guys, my name is Soliat. I own a YouTube channel, Moments with Soliat. I share tutorials, unboxing, and reviews. Do well and check out my channel, Moments with Soliat, on YouTube. I'm very sure you're going to enjoy it because I post bag making tutorials, I post DIYs, I post unboxing, reviews, and also I do vlogs too. So check my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and please join my community. Let's do this together. Thank you. Here I am talking to you with the first effect. Okay, I just got a mic. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I just got a mic and we must use this mic. We must use it together. So please subscribe. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye. I just got a mic. Hi guys, I just bought the mic. Can you hear me?